Hello guys, so what's going on? I In this video we're going to show you something about reflection in C Sharp. And in here in this video we're going to create an interface. So this is can I can do, and the name of the interface is I can do. I can do or I can do something. The name is I can do something. Okay, so the interface will be public interface I can do something, and it will return a string do this, and then it will have a parameter of like an arg here. And okay, so we're going to create um, a class that can implement this interface. So this is doer class doer. So this one is a doer, and then this doer can will implement this I can do something, and will implement that interface. Okay, there. Then it will return the interface. So this will be the job maybe, or the task. So this is the task. Do this. Do no. I will say doing. Then the task. Doing. So something like that. Okay. And in our endpoint, we're going to create an endpoint. So doing here, and then return okay, and then the route would be doing, and then we're going to um, pass the thing that it wants to do from route. So this will be taken from route, and that is going to be a string, and then do. So do is a string. What? So seems like the do is um, do task maybe. Okay, and then we're now going to play with the reflection here. Okay, so we're going to say type of I interface is a type of I can do something, and then type of here, and then another type is the um, type of the doer. So it's gonna be D is the type of doer, or we can just maybe assign it right away. So the interface is assignable from um, type of doer. Okay, so it's gonna say if, so if okay, if I can do something is assignable to type of doer, then we're gonna invoke the method here that we created here. Okay, um, let's go back. Do you remember? Okay, so so we have this interface. First, we're going to we'll be needing an instance of this doer. So we'll use the activator dot create instance, the type of the doer. Okay, so after that, check if I can do something is assignable from the doer, and if it's assignable, we're going to uh, get the method. So we're making this the hard way because later on we're going to use generics for this, and this is going to be like a template that we can use. So the flags will be public, and 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 over here we can put this one here, and or binding flags that instance are just going to use the reflection there, and this is going to be null. And then we're going to need the calling convention is any, and then the type here is going to be type of string. So this is our argument, so one argument there, then then null. So this is how to get the method of do this. So this do this, so if it's assignable to that, we're going to get that method, and then after that we're going to invoke that method and supply the instance of that class here, and then our parameter will be object um, new object, and then something like sing in here, and we're going to get the result. And we're going to return this here, the sing. We're going to else here and return still okay, but um, no activity. Okay, so we're going to expect a sing in the returned returned um, string, but we're supposed to do this do task here, so play the do task here, but for now we're just going to do that. The constraint reference string could not be resolved to a type. What happened here? So I'm not sure what happened there. Maybe let's not return a string here. Let's just see if it will do a breakpoint there. So maybe it has a different way of getting the result. But let's do this for now. Okay. So still it has error. So I think what's the string here? String. Ah, yeah, this one. Yeah, we can remove this, and instead of doing this thing here, we will just put this right away over there. And let's do this again. To the fellow, can only drive it so low, and it's XXX. And alright, cool. So we'll try to get the returned um, the result. So the result is there. Uh, so let's say dance here. Dance should get doing dance, right? Doing dance. Yeah, doing dance here. And if we're going to change this to sing, do sing, doing sing. All right, cool. So that's it. We had a interface here. We tried to call this by using reflection. And yep, I'll just do it something like that because this is just like a note. Okay, so yep, and the next one is we're going to experiment on having a generic on the controller so that we can just instead of using the concrete implementation here, we can use the generic. And that's it. That is how to use reflection and calling um, interfaces. No, and calling methods. All right, cool. So don't forget to like and subscribe if you've already subscribed, and tell your family and friends to subscribe. Thanks, bye.